In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how you can download on iPhone without the requirement of a password. So to be able to do this, the first thing we need to do is head over to our settings. And then from here, we now need to scroll down and then click the option for screen time. Once we select screen time, scroll down, click on content and privacy restrictions. From here, you want to select iTunes and App Store purchases at the top. And then you want to select don't require. Once we select don't require on this page, we can head back down now to our main settings page. You will then need to scroll down and select Face ID and passcode. Once we click on this, enter in your passcode, and then once you are on this page, you want to go to iTunes and App Store and then toggle off this option. Once you have changed those two settings, we will now be able to head back over to our App Store. You want to find the game or the app that you now want to download. So for example, if I just go ahead and select EA Sports FC 25 Companion, for example, as you can see, it has not yet been downloaded. So normally it would require a password, but now it will no longer require one. So if we click on get, what that will then do is it will bring this up right here. You will then be able to select install. And then as you can see, that has now removed the requirement of a password, and we can download apps and games on our App Store without the password option. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.